What is going on, guys? Today I'm going to be showing you how to clean a Nintendo 64 motherboard safely. So first off, you're going to need a Mr. Clean Magic Eraser. I just take a whole one and I cut it in half. You're also going to need a toothbrush. Any old toothbrush will do, and 91% isopropyl alcohol. So first thing you want to do is wet your Mr. Clean Magic Eraser. Probably should have done that before I started the video. So oh, that little guy just broke off. It's not a big deal. He's over 20 years old, so they're pretty brittle. So you take your Mr. Clean Magic Eraser and you go around the edges of the controller ports, and then you take the corner and you can kind of like wedge it inside and go around the inside as well. Yeah, just really just making this part look brand new. So yeah, it doesn't have to be perfect, but as good as it gets, really. Okay, so as you can see, those look pretty nice. Okay, so the next step, you're gonna wanna take this part off. Some models will not come off. So if you give it a tug and it does not come off, yeah, just don't take it off. And the only one that's not gonna come off is the one that has the actual heat shield that's fully attached to the motherboard. So other than that one model, you should be able to take this off just fine. So get you just a little bit of isopropyl alcohol on your toothbrush, dab it on the paper towel or whatever that you have, and you're just cleaning right here. I don't know if you can see that little like yellow spot, but that crack comes off. And just kind of gently kind of brush in circles along these little connectors. That's pretty much it. Just want to give it like a good little once over, and then you're going to want to dry it really fast. So I have a PC air duster, mind the noise. I'm actually going to take the air duster and I'm going to pull out all the ports and all the heat sinks and everything on the actual board itself, the connecting points. Just try to get all the dirt, as much of the dirt as I possibly can out of this. So let me do that. Okay, so this next part is actually really important. We're going to be cleaning out this. This is actually the pins inside of it, so this is what actually reads your games. If the pins on the game and the pins inside of this do not make a solid connection, you're not going to see any video on your TV screen. So to clean this, there's many ways to do it, but the way that I take an old credit card. This is actually a rewards point card. And I take a microfiber cloth and I stretch that over the credit card. And then you take some isopropyl alcohol, kind of pour it along the sides of it. So you soak just the sides, and then stretch this with your thumb, your index finger, and your middle finger. So you're kind of holding it kind of like that. And then you can work this inside of there to clean those pins. And yeah, just kind of run it in and out and in and out. This is going to clean them pretty good. If this doesn't do the trick and you have to go up a step to like a low sanding paper grade, I don't even do that kind of stuff. So I mean, if I can't get it to work with this, I mean, it's whatever. I'll sell it for parts and go on to the next one. But if you only have one and you're trying to fix it, there are other ways that you're gonna do it. So after I do that, run it through there pretty good, I just take some air and blow it out. So take that, take the arrow, match it with the arrow, pop it back on, and that's how you clean it. That's everything you need to know.